Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to assemble the Nakto pet trailer. It should be pretty simple, but again, I'll try to show you how to do that as well. So it comes in this type of box. Right over here you'll find instruction how to attach the trailer to the bicycle. And you basically would need probably to pull it out first. Just shake it. Alright. So once you pull out, you'll find also user manual inside. The first step gonna be to remove everything from this plastic bag. Okay, the wheels right here. So you got two wheels. You can put them on the side right here. Then one part. So basically you will remove everything. You would need to follow the instruction step by step, and I'll do it with you. So the first step, you need to assemble this pet cage. So the assembly of the pet cage, inside you'll find these two frame support. You would insert it on one side, right over here. I don't think there's any tool needed at all. Looks like maybe there is, but we're gonna find out. And you would need to unzip from both sides so you have full access to the frame. And looks like, yeah, there's nothing needed for as tools. You just basically just push in on both sides, on this side. Okay, and then you do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now you have the frame, and you take this rod, okay, and you would need to, let me see, insert it inside and basically just push it like this from one side and from another side. Then you have your cage almost assembled now. Okay. Actually, you can close the zipper. Let's see. So it's like a frame. All right. And you do the same thing on this side. I don't believe there is anything you need to attach with. You just basically just hold on this frame. But again, I believe they do have assembly video, but I didn't watch it yet. I usually just follow the simple instruction. And all right, so this is a cage for your pet. You can open window right over here, and they can see through. Over here is a pocket. You can remove the pet from this window, and this one just a window to see through. Same thing on the side. And you don't use this, I guess. You don't open it, only in case if you need it, probably, but I think it stay closed all the time. So you just use this small one. So it's for the small, that's what I believe. You would attach this plastic one on this rod as well. It's like a clip, I guess. And now it's attached. The next step, you'll find this bag with different tools. Actually, not tools, actually bolts and nuts. And you would need to attach, they looks like identical, so you would need to attach right over here. And this nut looks like it's a locking nut, so you just insert it from one side and tighten up, and do on this side. Would just do the same thing on this side. You can remove this one, so it's just attached, so you will not lose it, I guess. I'm gonna remove it for now because it's not from here, but you would need to attach right over here another plastic, and you do the same way with the same nut it came with. And I just attach it with hand first. Alright, so now I attach these two plastic pieces with 4 bolts. I will flip it over like this, I guess, and would attach the wheels. So this one, it's you need to remove it, the plastic one, okay, and you just insert it, okay, and you will push this one and it will stay there. And you do the same thing with another wheel. You will just pull out this plastic and insert, push it right over here. This push, insert it, and it will stay there. Okay, so it's very simple. Just you would flip it over, just like that. So the next step, I'm not sure if I'm doing right, but you would just remove the bolt from this part, like this, and insert it. This plastic will have this hole inside over here, and then you would align, insert the bolt, the one you removed, and tighten with a nut. You take this piece and insert it right over here, and I guess you don't need to remove this pin from the bottom. You can leave it there because you're gonna use this pin to secure it. And I'm gonna first to secure it right over here. So this is a pin I just removed. I will probably attach it back, and you just insert it from one side, close this on this side. Okay, and then you do the same thing on the top. You need to match, to align a little bit. So let me show you how I did it. So you just insert it and use this pin to lock in, okay? And I believe I did right. Again, comment below what do you think. Maybe I should insert it from another side, the bolt, because it doesn't look really cool. But so far it's assembled. And next you take this part, insert it, align, so the hole will be aligned over here, and you just insert it, okay, and lock in this pin on another side like this. And now it's ready to attach to the bicycle, and I'm gonna show it later once the bicycle is ready. Also, you get a lot of reflectors which you would need to attach on both sides. I just keep it for now because it's super easy and just need time to attach it to the frame. So I'm gonna do it later. And this piece is basically open up, but I'm gonna just close this like this, and you would attach on both sides right over here, so it stays there. And then you would insert, I'm gonna close actually, then you insert the hitch inside, I'm gonna close this part, and you would attach with two pieces from both sides. And then you would attach this latch. I would attach it probably on this side. You just insert it and tighten on one side. So it comes with rubbish pieces like this. You would insert it basically right over here on both sides, I believe, and probably on one side, and tighten around your seat post. And then you would just close this latch and it would stay in place like this. And you can go now. And you would still have some parts to use if you need it, some straps. This one I'm gonna attach later, as I said before, and these are plugs I'm gonna attach as well later, once I'm gonna ride with a pad. And that's how it's gonna look, pretty cool, with a lot of ventilation, so the pet can see everything from inside. No, don't place the child inside because it's not gonna be safe, but it's great for the dog, I guess, for maybe for the cat if they can stand it, but they do see everything outside. It should be very safe inside as well. You do get a pocket and it's carry on, so you can always remove it very easy if you need to bring with you in a store or anywhere. So it's really nice.